Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today is our day 34 of challenging 365 days. So I have continued with the book Atomic Habit, in which I have today started a fourth law, which is make it satisfying. So inside that, the author have said that how we can build anything and make it satisfying, by which we can repeat that process and feel satisfaction. So in this, the author have just taken the example of a just have taken so many examples in which they have said they have firstly taken the example of Karachi, Pakistan, which is a very famous and most of the people lived on that area in 1998. So with a huge population, what they see and what type of diseases they have see on that area, that is on 1998 the they were see the huge population was shifted on that location. So and what they do wrong, that is before going to the food, before going for the dinner, before going for the lunch, or before going to eat any of the food, they don't wash their hands. So many of the diseases, many of the people will face, many of the people have faced so many diseases. So the author have done one thing, they have just go and give soap to everyone on that location. And what they have done different, that is they have just take the soap off, which have a very pungent smell, very good smell. And with that, the those people who don't wash their hands, they just start washing their hands after a year. When the author re go on that location, what they see that those persons who don't use soap for hand wash, they become the habitual of that process, by which how they this can get happen. This is get happen with simple steps, that is they just have put a smell which after washing the hand they just feel satisfied. So when they feel satisfied, they just go and do repeat and repeat that process. So after a year, they see that the disease which affect the whole area by 90%, that would decrease by the 70%. So decrease by 75% means only 10 to 20% persons are still disease not get disease free, but most of the areas are get disease free. So this is the way how they can give the satisfaction, and they take the satisfaction by adding some new things. So that is all about today. Bye bye guys.